East of downtown Albuquerque, New Mexico, at the intersection of Edith Boulevard Northeast and Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Avenue, is the Martineztown Park. Here, visitors retrace El Camino Real de Tierra Adentro, or the Royal Road of the Interior Land, following the same route taken by trail travelers between Santa Fe and Mexico City. Martineztown was a paraje, or stopping point for El Camino travelers, connecting community, commerce, and culture, a tradition it continues today. This 2-block walkway represents the 1,600-mile El Camino journey with distances to major cities and counties etched into the sidewalk. Look for life and landmarks of the trail's changing environments in the tile murals and plantings along the sidewalk. See the Acequia Madre, an irrigation ditch constructed in 1832 to bring water from the Rio Grande to the agricultural community. Younger visitors can learn about the trail history at the park's playground. Information signs tell the story of the trail's complicated legacy of 300 years of conflict, cooperation, and cultural exchange. Want a guided tour? Follow the Martineztown Walking Tour, available on your mobile device through the NPS app. The Martineztown Park development was made possible by cooperation between the City of Albuquerque, Citizens Information Committee of Martineztown, and the National Park Service National Trails Office. For more information, including directions, visit go.nps.gov/Martineztown.